Enteritis in equines is inflammation of small intestine which can be caused by infectious agents like bacteria and viruses or non-infectious diseases and leads to symptoms like lethargy, colic and fever. Proximal enteritis, a common form, involves inflammation of duodenum and jejunum, causing a buildup of gastric reflux and requiring urgent, intensive medical treatment, often in 24-hour hospital setting. Other types such as granulomatous enteritis and lymphatic plasmacytic enteritis are forms of inflammatory bowel disease that typically cause chronic weight loss and have more guarded prognosis. Proximal enteritis, viral enteritis, bacterial enteritis, granulomatous enteritis,